Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I wanted to share a recipe with you that is so simple and it's quick and it makes a great meal for a weeknight meal or even on a busy weekend. And it is called tuna steak. Look at that beautiful piece of tuna. This is wild caught tuna, and I got it at the grocery store yesterday and it was on sale for $6.99 a pound. So I got two of these for less than $6.99. I think it was $6.50. We're just shy of a pound here. So what you do is you, first of all, oil your tuna. And that's probably a teaspoon at the most. And I just spread that on here. I'm going to do this other side here. There we go. Isn't that a beautiful piece of tuna?
Looks good.
Always keep a cloth close by so I can, this is a clean cloth and I just wipe my hands off with it as I'm cooking. And move this over to the side. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. And I've got my pan heating here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it up. You're supposed to cook tuna on a high heat. And so I had it on low. I've turned it up to high to heat. And in the meantime, I'm going to salt and pepper this on this side. Not a lot, just lightly salt and pepper. There. And I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of oil in this pan. It looks like it's about a tablespoon. It's already starting to shimmer a little. I'm going to let it heat up just a tad more, and then we're going to put this in. And we're going to cook this on high for 30 seconds. Then we're going to turn it down to medium high, cook it for another minute and a half. By that time, it should be fairly brown on the bottom side. And then we're going to flip it and cook it for another minute and a half. And then it should be done. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. That's what you want. That's our friend. So I'm going to time this.
That's your stopwatch. You want to get some burn back and splatter back.
It's about 30 seconds. So I'm going to just move that over a little. We're going to turn down this heat to medium high. And then we're going to let this continue to cook for a minute and a half. You can already see where it's starting to cook around the edges. Also, the other thing is at the end, we're going to test the temperature. It should be 110 degrees, and that's when you can tell that your tuna is okay to eat. We like ours rather rare. If you don't like it rare, if you like it medium rare, then you just tempt your tuna for about a minute and a half or so, and then it'll continue to cook on the inside. But if you like it rare, after you take it up, then you need to slice it so it stops cooking. We'll let it cook just a tad more. Okay, now let's flip it. Oh yeah, look how beautiful that is, you guys.
Looking good.
Yep. I'm going to lightly salt and pepper this side. And what gave me this idea on how to make this was Viola. She had made a tuna steak a while back, and it just looked so good. And so actually I think that my seasonings I'm going to do are similar to what she did. I'm going to be using teriyaki sauce and sesame seed oil, and I'm pretty sure that's what she did as well. I'm going to put a link to in the bottom of our video here for Viola's channel as well. She's an excellent cook. And this pan I'm using is a non-stick pan. I'll take the temperature here and see how we're coming. Yep, 110 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and take this up. Look at the underside first. You see? Oh yeah, look how beautiful that is. I'm going to show you. Look at that.
Looks good.
It's perfect. So what I do, well, let me actually put this here for just a sec. The reason I'm doing that is I have forgotten to switch out my pan. And when you do that, or my plate, and you don't want to do that. So you want to make sure that everything is cooked good. You don't want to get sick. This is my clean plate. There we go. So I'm going to just let this rest here for a moment, and well, first of all, let's take a look at it and see how it is. Yeah, see, that's what we want. We want some of that rareness in there. You don't want it overdone, because otherwise it gets where it's just not much flavor. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of this after I put some teriyaki on it. And I'm just going to, do you want it on top, Richard?
Either way.
I'll put it on the side. So there's some teriyaki. Oh, that's our smoke detector. From the smoke. And just a little bit of that. Let me just taste this. So good. And even the smoke detector likes it. So thank you for joining us today. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Talk to you later. Bye. Well, look at this delicious plate, you guys. This is the tuna with the teriyaki and also sesame seed oil. I made up some fried rice, and also I did up that Asian coleslaw. So let's go ahead and take a bite. Oh, that tuna was perfect. It is so delicious and moist. Oh, now let me try the Asian coleslaw. Oh, this is so good, you guys. That Savoy cabbage in this is really good. That rice is so good. Viola, thank you for the suggestion for this tuna. It is absolutely delicious. To get on her channel, the name of her channel is Viola's Baked and Cooked Delights, and she is wonderful. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and I'll put a link for her channel in the bottom, and I'll put a link for the salad and also for the fried rice. I hope you guys have enjoyed this today, and if you have, and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, and share with your family and friends. Bye!